Hello and welcome. This is one of the problem from NET Physics Part A. The problem goes something like this. We have a fraction that is 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 and so on till infinity. So the question says what is the value? Now let us first understand how to approach this problem. For example, let's say you don't know to solve this problem. How will you proceed? First, try to get the approximate value of this number. What do I mean by that? So 1 by 1 into 2 is like half, that is 0.5. 1 by 2 into 3 is 6, that is around 0.1, so 6, something like this. And 1 by 12 will be half of this, so 0.08, something like this. So you can see that each term the value is decreasing by a order of magnitude, right? That means that if you add these numbers, the value will hardly reach to some finite value. It will not go till infinity, right? Even in mathematics, there are few theorems where we can predict if the ratio will approach infinity or it will approach some finite value. Okay, so from logically also we can say that this value is approaching to a finite value. So option D cannot be the solution. Now let's say you have a fraction where you get 0.5, then 0.3, then 0.25, something like that. Then it is very hard, then maybe infinite solution could be an answer, but in this case definitely the answer will be finite. So this is the first point. Now the second point, we need to find a pattern. Now you can see that it is 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 and so on. So the fraction will be like n into n plus 1. Now what is the easiest way to write this fraction? It is 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1, right? That is equal to this. So let us write that fraction in this form, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is the first term, that is this term we are writing as 1 minus 1 by 2, and then we are writing the second term. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and so on. Now if you open up the bracket, you see that minus half plus half minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and so on, everything will get cancelled and only 1 is remaining. So the correct answer is 1. So option B is the correct answer. This is how you solve this kind of problem of mathematics in the general part in physics. So this is useful both for mathematics student as well as for physics students. Thanks for watching and keep subscribed.